Hey, what is going on, guys? What if I told you that you could completely hide your online activity, stop your internet provider from throttling your streaming speeds, and unlock restricted apps without paying a single penny? I'm talking about getting world-class privacy and security on your television, 100% for free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, everything that you are going to need to know so that you can find the absolute top 5 best free VPNs for your Amazon Firestick in 2026. Best of all, we don't need any secret codes today. Every single one of these is sitting right inside the official Amazon App Store waiting for you. Alright guys, well, if you're ready to protect your Firestick and unlock your entertainment, let's begin! Alright guys, so you're excited, and you're ready for me to show you how to get these amazing free VPNs directly onto your Amazon Firestick. Now, the very first thing that we need to do is go into the official Amazon App Store. The easiest way to do this is push left on your remote until you highlight the magnifying glass. The keypad will pop up, allowing you to type out the name of the app that you're looking for. Whenever you want to download one of the 5 apps I am about to show you, all you have to do is type the name right here. Once it pops up on the list below, just click it and hit that center button to install it directly to your device. It is incredibly safe and super simple. The absolute first free VPN I want to talk about today is Proton VPN. Guys, if you binge watch a lot of TV shows and movies, this is the one you want. Almost every free VPN out there cuts you off after a few gigabytes of data, but Proton VPN gives you absolutely unlimited free data. You can leave this running in the background all day long to keep your streaming secure, and it will never charge you. It gives you access to 5 different free server countries, including the US, and has a strict no-logs policy so your data stays totally private. The next app that you absolutely have to check out is HideMe VPN. Now, HideMe does have a monthly data cap of 10 gigabytes for free users, but the reason I love it so much is the speed. If you are using free movie apps and they are constantly buffering, turning on HideMe can actually bypass your internet provider's speed throttling. It is incredibly fast, very well designed specifically for the Fire TV remote, and it even helps unblock geo-restricted content so you can watch shows from other countries. Coming in at number 3 is EasyStream VPN. This is a newer player in the free VPN space, but their Firestick app is absolutely beautiful. Just like EasyStream, they give you 10 gigabytes of completely free high-speed data every single month. But what makes so special is what happens when you run out. Instead of completely cutting you off, they give you unlimited data at a slightly slower speed. It is a fantastic safety net to make sure your Firestick is never left unprotected. Alright, the 4th free VPN you need to know about is MasterVPN. If privacy is your absolute #1 priority, this is a fantastic option. MasterVPN offers an unlimited amount of data on their free plan, and they give you 8 different free server locations to choose from. It is completely ad-free, which is extremely rare for a free app, and their encryption is top tier. It is incredibly simple to use. Just download it from the Amazon store, hit connect, and you are totally safe. And finally, rounding out the top 5 is VPN Unlimited. If you just need a quick, incredibly fast connection to an American server, VPN Unlimited is amazing. Their free tier gives you access to a premium US server that is optimized for streaming. It is super lightweight on your Firestick, so it won't slow down your device while you are navigating through your movie and TV show apps. Guys, I have worked really hard to test all of these VPNs so you know exactly which ones are safe to use. And the only thing that I ask, in return for all of the hard work that I put in to bringing you this free information, is that you would be kind enough just to take a second and hit the subscribe button. That's all that I ask. I'm really trying hard to hit 1 million subscribers, but I can't do it without your help. So I really appreciate it if you would just take 1 second, hit that subscribe button, and tell me thank you down below. Please, take a second and download a few of these from the Amazon store. Try them out. Let me know down below in the comments which one is your absolute favorite. I love the feedback that I receive, letting me know what works best for you. If you want to watch more videos like this, just look at the description below this video. Make sure that you never miss a video by ringing the notification bell. You can also give this video a thumbs up, or please share this video with a friend so that they too can protect their devices for free. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you again real soon in the next video.